Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. It's brought to you from my bathroom. Just got this box from Giovanni Eco Chic Beauty. I think I'm supposed to do like a collab with them. I gotta check on Apexdrop. If you're an influencer and you know about Apexdrop, if you don't know about Apexdrop, you get free product campaigns. They're not paid, but you get free products, and you just do like a post or something, whatever they require. You could choose, of course, if you want to be in the campaign or not. And I just got a bunch of stuff, so I'm super excited. So we're going to do an unboxing video. And then, so this one will be an unboxing video. And then I'll make a, like, actual review video on the products. I'll try them. You guys know I love me some hair care products. Super excited. Look at all this stuff in here. All right. Let's see. Just information about them. I'm gonna pause and read that. All right. Let's see, there's a lot of stuff in here. All right, the first thing I pulled out is their curl defining leave-in conditioning and styling elixir for all curl types. The next thing, it is their defining conditioner for all hair types. Next, it is their curl defining shampoo. Again, I'm going to do a more in-depth review video for you guys if you want it. Their curl refining mousse, hair mousse, flexible hold. And their box almost fell. Curl defining no foam conditioning shampoo. Oh, so they sent me two shampoos? Okay. Two different shampoos. Let's see, is there anything else in here? There's a lot of, oh, there's stuff in here. Okay, wait, there's more. There's more. Their curl defining deep conditioning hair mask. Oh my God, yes. Because I've been needing a deep conditioner. I've ran out. Which, I manifested this, guys. And then their curl shaping hair gel for medium hold for curly hair types. Ooh, I will definitely be trying all this out on my hair. I think that's it. There's a lot of this stuff in here. Let me see. Let me double check. You know, I don't want to throw out. Ooh, there's something else. Imagine. Throw out products. Without first checking. Oh. The insanity. The insanity. And last but not least, it is their, oh, where's it from? Curl defining hair styling cream. I love hair styling creams, by the way. Those are really great. So in total, I got these three. They're, hold on. All right. The hair styling cream, hair gel, and deep conditioning mask. I got two shampoos. One is a no foam conditioning shampoo, and the other one is a defining shampoo. It's a conditioning shampoo like the no poo shampoo, probably, yeah. Then I got the conditioner, leave-in, and their hair mousse. So we'll definitely do an in-depth product review if you guys want. So let me know that in the comments if you want me to do an actual in-depth review when you're using the products, so you guys can see what my hair looks like after using all the products, because I would just use all of them at once you know, throughout the video for the routine. And let me know that in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day, afternoon, or evening, whichever time you're watching. And please, 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 please stay safe out there.